Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. I apologize, my voice is starting to go out, so this video and maybe even the next one may have a little bit of my voice going a little bit. But I wanted to show another item that we've gotten our hands on. So this here just arrived the other day. It is the Gammaxx 400. Now this particular model comes with a blue LED fan. So I'm going to go ahead and show everyone what you get. This purchase is about $21. It's supposed to be a pretty good CPU cooler. It's done by DeepCool, which is a well-respected company. I've had good luck with their stuff. In fact, I've got a DeepCool Captain EX 120mm all-in-one in my wife's computer, so I trust their stuff. So inside the package, you will receive the actual cooler itself. The fins here are thin aluminum, which is to be expected. Same type of setup that you'd get with the Evo 212. The fan, like I said, is a blue LED, so it will light up when it's powered on. And it's 120mm, so it should help keep this cool pretty well. It is a PWM fan, so it will adjust based on temperatures needed to, as it needs to adjust, it will adjust to those automatically. And then you get the package of extra pieces that you'll need for what they include on the directions. You've got the AMD on this flap, the Intel install on this flap. It's kind of odd that they do it on a flap of the box, but that's how they did it, so that's how we get it. So now inside the little package of extra bits, it's got the different sections that you'll need for clipping it onto, say, an AMD AM3. These here should be for the Intel side, and it should fit any of the 1150 series. So the 1150, 51, 55, 56, all those should fit. Oh, you know what? I take that back. That's the AM4 adapter. So for the Intel side would be these. And again, they'll fit all of those, and it looks like they will also fit the 1366 and the 775. So you get all of the adapters that you need. And then an itty bitty packet that includes the 4 screws for screwing on to the cooler, the parts that you need for the socket, and a single use of DeepCool thermal compound. So we will have to see how that works out when we use it on the next part that we're gonna use in a build, which will be a i5 9400. So that should be a fun thing. It also comes with an extra set of clips for fans, so you can add a second fan onto it if you want to. Although honestly, most of the time it's not needed. However, if you're going to be overclocking, it might be a good idea to go ahead and do that second fan. If you're not overclocking, to be honest, you'll probably be just fine. And with the 9400F that we'll be putting this on, I don't expect to need that second fan, but it is nice that they included it as a free item to make it so that we don't have to worry about it. So that is today's item, our unboxing for this DeepCool Gammaxx 400, blue LED fan and all. It is a nice little cooler. I expect that it'll do very well for something like an i5. I wouldn't recommend it on, say, an i7 that you're going to be overclocking, like the 8700K, but for an i5 it should do spectacularly. That aside, I would also like to say that in just a moment we're going to have a clip running for a company. I'm going to pronounce it Wulum, but I'm going to have to ask them how they pronounce it. It is a Canadian company that is an indie game developer, W-U-L-U-M, and I will see about adding a link down below. But they are doing this new product, and I'm going to show a little clip of the feed that they've got going on for what they expect it to be like when you play it. So, hope you all enjoy. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content and want to see more of it. And as always, please leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the product, of the channel, any questions you have for myself or the channel, and I will make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day, everyone. Bye for now.